Stop letting mosquito swarms ruin your summer evenings, because the answer might already be growing in your kitchen garden. Instead of drenching your skin in chemical spray, a $2 combination of rosemary and sage, burned the right way, creates a genuine smoke barrier that measurably reduces mosquito activity in the immediate area around you. This is not a marketing gimmick. Pest researchers have documented smoke and specific aromatic plant compounds as legitimate mosquito deterrents for decades, long before citronella candles ever hit store shelves. Communities across the Mediterranean, where wild rosemary and sage grow abundantly, have burned these exact herbs around outdoor gathering spaces for countless generations, long before anyone understood the specific chemistry involved. Indigenous communities across several continents independently developed similar smoke-based insect deterrent practices using whatever strongly aromatic local plants were available, a pattern that shows up repeatedly across cultures that spent significant time outdoors during insect season. The backyard pest control industry generates billions of dollars annually selling coils, sprays, and zappers, many of which perform inconsistently in real outdoor conditions with any wind or open space. A $2 bundle of garden herbs does not compete well with that industry or marketing budget, but it genuinely competes on effectiveness for the price, once you understand exactly how and why it works. This is the real science behind the herb smoke barrier, exactly how to build one correctly, and honestly, where its real limits are too. Welcome to Vault Breaker. This is where we open every single vault that billion-dollar industries paid good money to lock shut. If reclaiming your backyard this summer matters to you, subscribe and ring the bell right now, because what you're about to learn could genuinely change your evenings outside for the rest of the season. Let's start with exactly how mosquitoes find you in the first place, because understanding that is the entire key to understanding why this method works. Mosquitoes locate human targets primarily through carbon dioxide detection, sensing the exhaled breath trail from many feet away, combined with body heat and specific skin odor compounds at closer range. Smoke interferes with this host-seeking system on two separate levels simultaneously, which is exactly why it has remained a reliable deterrent across cultures and centuries. First, thick smoke physically disrupts and disperses the carbon dioxide plume mosquitoes use for long-range detection, essentially scrambling the trail they are following toward you. Second, and this is where rosemary and sage specifically matter far more than plain wood smoke alone, these herbs contain aromatic compounds including camphor and thujone that mosquitoes find genuinely irritating and actively avoid at close range. Entomology research has specifically tested camphor-containing plant compounds and confirmed measurable repellent effects against multiple mosquito species, distinct from the general smoke masking effect alone. Some studies examining plant-based mosquito deterrents have found that certain aromatic terpene compounds, the same broad chemical family found in rosemary and sage, can reduce mosquito landing rates on treated surfaces by a meaningful margin compared to untreated control areas, which is exactly the kind of measurable, testable effect that separates a real deterrent from folklore. Combining the carbon dioxide disruption from smoke with the direct irritant effect of these specific aromatic compounds creates a genuinely more effective barrier than either wood smoke or herb oil would achieve independently. Fresh sprigs work more effectively than dried spice jar rosemary and sage, specifically because fresh plant material retains significantly higher moisture and resin content, which produces a thicker, longer-lasting aromatic smoke, rather than a quick, thin burn that dried material tends to produce. Now let's build this correctly, because the technique matters just as much as the herbs themselves. Harvest fresh rosemary and sage sprigs from your garden, or purchase fresh bundles from a grocery store produce section, aiming for roughly equal parts of both herbs for a balanced, pungent aromatic output. Gently bruise the leaves by rolling the sprigs firmly between your palms before use, which ruptures the small oil glands within the leaves and significantly increases the aromatic compounds released once heated. For your containment vessel, a simple terracotta pot, a small metal fire bowl, or even a disposable aluminum pan filled partially with sand or gravel works perfectly, giving you a stable, safe base for a small, controlled fire. Place a small bed of dry kindling or charcoal in the base, and once it has a steady, low flame or glowing coal bed established, add your bruised rosemary and sage sprigs directly on top. The goal here is a slow, steady char and smolder that produces thick, aromatic smoke, not a fast, bright fire that simply burns the herbs to ash within seconds without releasing sustained smoke. If the herbs catch a quick flame rather than smoldering, lightly mist them with a small amount of water to slow the burn back down to a steady smolder that produces continuous smoke output. For placement, position 2 or 3 of these smoke sources around the perimeter of your patio or seating area, ideally slightly upwind of where you will be sitting, so the smoke naturally drifts across your space rather than away from it. Pay particular attention to areas near standing water, dense shrubs, or shaded corners of your yard, since these are typical mosquito resting and breeding areas, where concentrated smoke exposure has the most impact on local activity. You will typically notice a genuine reduction in mosquito activity within 5 to 10 minutes of establishing steady smoke coverage across your seating area, though the effect is strongest in the immediate zone, closest to the smoke sources. Now, I want to be completely honest with you about the real scope of what this method accomplishes, because that honesty is exactly what separates a genuinely useful technique from an exaggerated viral claim. This creates a genuine, measurable reduction in mosquito activity within your immediate outdoor seating area for as long as the smoke barrier remains active, which is exactly the same principle behind why citronella candles and mosquito coils work when they actually do work. It is not a permanent solution, and it does not eliminate mosquitoes from your entire yard or property. Once the smoke source burns out or the wind shifts significantly, mosquito activity in that area will gradually return to normal levels. If you live in a region with mosquito-borne illness risk, such as West Nile virus or other regional concerns, this method works well as an additional layer of protection for outdoor evenings. But it should not replace EPA-registered repellents applied directly to skin when mosquito-borne disease risk in your specific area is genuinely elevated. For a typical backyard evening where the goal is simply comfort rather than serious disease exposure risk, this herb smoke method provides real, noticeable relief for a fraction of the cost of commercial alternatives. If you have made it this far, you already understand more about why this actually works than most people burning citronella candles, without knowing why they sometimes fail in open, windy spaces. Subscribe and share this with anyone whose summer evenings keep getting ruined by mosquitoes despite trying every spray and candle on the store shelf. To maintain your backyard defense throughout the season, keep a small dedicated section of your garden growing rosemary and sage specifically for this purpose, since both are hardy, low-maintenance perennials in most climates and will regrow new sprigs continuously through the warm months. Partially charged sprigs that have not fully burned down can be safely extinguished, dried, and reused for your next session, which stretches your initial $2 investment across the entire summer season with minimal additional cost. A family in coastal Georgia documented using this exact rosemary and sage smoke method for outdoor evening gatherings throughout the summer of 2023. After growing frustrated with citronella candles that provided inconsistent results in their breezy backyard, they reported noticeably more comfortable evening gatherings on their patio, specifically when positioning the smoke sources upwind as described, compared to their previous reliance on candles alone, while spending under $10 total on herbs across the entire season. Smoke and specific aromatic plant compounds have protected people from biting insects around fires for as long as humans have gathered outdoors in the evening. Rosemary and sage simply make that ancient principle noticeably more effective. If this vault opens something for you, subscribe and share it with someone who has given up on enjoying their own backyard this summer. The next vault opens soon, and what is buried inside it goes even deeper than this one.